If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. Okay, and we have a core stuck in this one, and we're going to see if we can't get that out. Now normally what I would do is put it in the vise and then get the wrench for this end of here, which we can use an adjustable for. We'd be doing this anyway regardless because it's easier to get those cores out of the cutting tool if the center's out. We'll take that out, and then normally we'd pry in these holes or take a punch and punch on one side or the other trying to get it out, and every time you punch one side it tilts that way and it makes it harder to get it out. So with our core extractor we should be able to just line these up with a couple of holes in the back here, and if we get it started on the thread here. Okay, we're ready to extract. And there's the core, and out in a hurry, all in one piece. Okay, let's have a look at how the core extractor was built. We started with a piece of 5/8 rod, and it is approximately 5 inches long, just a little bit short of 5 inches. We put a 5/8 18 thread on here for 2 inches, 350 thousandths. We put a little undercut in here with a parting tool and used a E-clip for a 1/2 inch. It's supposed to be a 1/2 inch E-clip. This part from here to here is not so critical. This is just turned down to a 1/2 inch so it'll fit in a drill. And if I have any problems in the future with this slipping at all, which I haven't seen yet, I can put a hex on that and put it in the mill and put a hex on it. But so far it seems to be okay just with the 1/2 inch. This part here is just cleaned up. It's could be a little longer or even a little shorter, doesn't matter. Now the part that fits on here is this part here, and it just is a 5/8 hole in this, and the thread just slides right through there, the E-clip acting as a stop. Now the dimensions I've used on this is a 1/4 inch thick at the base here. It's about 1/800 thousandths in this direction, and the other direction is 1.5 inches. These are 1/4 inch. These holes are tapped for a 1/4 20, and of course the threads on these two pieces are 1/4 20 also. These pieces are 2 inches 1/100 thou. Now the criteria there was to make it so that they're at least protruding beyond the edge of the teeth so it can push out all the way. And that just about ends the description of that. And I found that in my set that I have here that all of these will accept that. And even the smaller ones with the 2 holes are going to accept that also. So you'll have to check and see what size you need. Make sure that you've got your thread size right and that you have your spacing right for your holes. It may not be exactly the same as mine, but it sure seems to work good.